So, I'm at my grandmother's house, and this is what I did to her backyard. You can see everything is dead. Well, almost everything. There's still a little bit of green here and there. I've got to go over and spray it again. There's a little bit. And here's a strip of grass that just does not want to die. You can see it. Well, I don't know if you can see it in the video or not, but there's still some green. Like that right there. And you can really see it right here. I have sprayed this twice with Roundup. The Concentrate Plus, like you get out of Walmart, Lowe's, and I'm not too impressed with it. I mean, yeah, it's killed 90% of what's out here, but there's still some green, you know? Maybe I need to mix it just a little bit stronger than what the recommended is on the container. But the reason why I sprayed this is because I'm on to sow some grass seed from a guy here in North Carolina that I got it from. I ordered it online from his website, and it's tall fescue, turf type tall fescue. Now that's a core season grass, and this time of the year is not the ideal time to sow it, but I'm gonna do it anyway and see what it does, because this whole area right here is going to be a test area for it. Just as soon as I finish killing off all of this grass, and there is a little bit of common Bermuda in here that I want to try and get rid of all of it, because it would just absolutely take over everything. I also trimmed up her, I thought it was a snowball bush, but it's not. I can't remember what she said it was, but it's still got a limb there that I missed. And I also sprayed around her house because we're redoing the flower beds, so I sprayed it. It done pretty good on it. So yeah, this whole area right back here in the backyard is going to be a test area. I'm going to, once all this grass is completely dead, I'm going to mow it down as low as I can mow it with the lawnmower and see if there's any more green. If there is, I'm going to spray it. This has been about a week and a half, so I'm going to give it another week or so just to make sure that everything is completely dead. And we're going to start over from scratch. And I'm going to mow all this dead grass down as low as I can get it. I'm going to try and aerate this backyard, try and scuff it up as much as I can, get some loose dirt and stuff, and sow the grass seed down. I've got a water source right here, and I've got sprinklers. So what I'm going to do is sow this. I've got garden hose. I'm going to sow this, put some sprinklers out here, water it of a morning good, and see what happens. Now, like I said, turf type tall fescue is a core season grass, and it's ideally sown in the early fall time of the year because it stays green during the winter. Warm season grasses like centipede, turf type Bermuda grass and stuff like that is a warm season grass that turns brown in the wintertime. It goes dormant. And those yards you normally oversee with ryegrass, which is another core season grass, which some of those green streaks that you see along here, that's what that is. And right there, that's winter grass, ryegrass. That was sown. Now, Along with that, we also have some plants. We sell plants. We've got some right here just on the side of the house hanging out because we're currently working back there in the nursery to try and get it situated. But look at that. Isn't that just beautiful? But yeah, we've got fig trees, we've got boxwoods, hollies, crepe myrtle trees, blackberry bushes, snowball. We've got just a variety of different things. And we sell this stuff. And I'll probably do another video at some point taking y'all back down there to the nursery because it's in pretty rough shape right now. It didn't do too good during the winter time. We had a tree that fell down. We had to cut it up and get it out of the way and everything. But just as soon as I get everything cleaned up a little bit, we'll show you what that's going to look like. So stay tuned, like and subscribe to see what this is going to look like later in the summer. See ya. Bye.